This is the Telegraph sounder, the second project in the Telegraph invention kit. It converts pulses of electricity into a magnetic field, subsequently pulling the armature down to create clicks in patterns often recognized as Morse code. As this begins to disassemble, take stock of your parts. You should have 2 springs labeled as Type A, 4 feet, 1 spring labeled as Type B, 1 nut, 2 pivots, 1 armature, 1 iron core, 1 baseboard, and 1 solenoid with wire. To assemble your telegraph sounder, place the solenoid with wire on the board, followed by the iron core. Next, assemble the pivots and armatures together, placing this full assembly on the board when completed. Next, glue the nut on the armature right above the iron core, then place the spring Type B on the back side of the armature. Now place all 4 feet around the baseboard. Finally, place your 2 Type A springs in the proper place on the baseboard.